Alright, let's jump straight into the world of US secret military weapons where fact meets rumor and high-tech gear barely sees the light of day. At number 5, it's the railgun. This beast uses electromagnetic force to shoot projectiles at hypersonic speeds, and although it's still experimental, let's just say, I wouldn't want to be on the wrong end of it. Number 4, active denial system, or as some call it, the heat ray. Sounds like science fiction, right? It fires a focused beam of microwave energy, making anyone caught in its path feel like their skin's on fire. Non-lethal, sure, but you'll run for cover, trust me. Coming in at number 3, the B-21 Raider. This is the US Air Force's next-gen stealth bomber, slated to replace some of the old guard. Details are top secret, but whispers suggest it'll carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, and it's rumored to be practically invisible to radar. Number 2, the Sea Ghost submarine drone. Officially it doesn't exist, but sources point to an underwater drone capable of deep-sea missions without a human crew. Think spy missions, sabotage, or laying mines without ever risking a sailor's life. And topping the list at number 1, the RQ-180 drone. This is the big one. An ultra-stealthy high-altitude reconnaissance drone, designed to fly where satellites can't, undetected for hours on end. Most of what we know is pieced together from sightings and leaks, but one thing's clear. The RQ-180 is shaping the future of aerial surveillance. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Who knows what's still locked behind classified doors? If you're keen for more deep dives into the world's most advanced military tech, hit that subscribe button and join me for the next mission. Cheers for watching.